Hello everyone, welcome to Senthil's Kitchen Lab. Today I am going to show you how to make traditional Madurai style Mali mess mutton chukka in a spicy way. For this I need about 1.5 kg of mutton which is thoroughly cleaned with the turmeric powder. I have about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 finely sliced or chopped green chilies, 2 finely chopped big onions, salt according to my taste, 2 bay leaves, 3 tablespoons of black pepper seeds, and about 3 or 4 cinnamon sticks. Here I have 3 or 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 10 sticks of red dry chilies, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds. And of course I have homemade masala here. The first process would be to fry all these ingredients in a pan, and later I am going to grind this in the special Indian mixer. So guys, this is the ground masala which I have showed you before. It took for me a little bit of time, but anyway I wanted to do this according to traditional Madurai way or Tamil Nadu way. And the next step would be to pressure cook the mutton, which is cleaned with little bit of cumin seed, little bit of ginger garlic paste, and little bit of dried red chilies. So guys, I have added the lamb in the pressure cooker, and I'm going to leave it for about 4 to 5 whistles to make the lamb or mutton tender. And once this is done, I am going to add this lamb into the frying pan and continue to prepare the mutton sukka or chukka. So guys, this is the tenderly cooked mutton after 5 whistles in pressure cooker. And later I'm going to add this mutton pieces to make delicious Madurai style spicy Mali mess mutton chukka. So guys, now I'm going to start preparing the mutton chukka. The first thing is I'm adding little bit of dried red chilies, small one, and later I'm going to add the chopped green chilies, saute it well. I'm going to add the chopped sliced onions, and later once this is done, I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste, so guys, almost the mixture is golden brown, and now it's time to add home ground masala and stir it well. So now I'm going to add salt according to my taste. But remember, I do added salt when I was pressure cooking the meat. So I'm just going to add a little bit, and if it doesn't come according to my taste, I will add later more. So how I told you before, I have added the pressure cooked mutton chop into the boiling gravy, and this is not the final step. There's one more thing which I have to add, which is the masala which I have ground here, and I'm going to add this as well. It is a spicy dish, and yeah, if you like spicy food, try this. It goes very well with rasam, tamarind rasam, and with chapati, and sometimes also with curd rice, I would say. It's going to take another 5 minutes, and it will be done. I'm going to garnish the final product with um, coriander leaves. So guys, finally the traditional spicy Madurai Mali mess mutton chukka is ready. I am going to eat this with basmati rice and yogurt, and you can try. It's a simple recipe and you will like it. And if you are a spicy eater, for sure it's going to be like a honey for you. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to click the ding dong bell button. Thank you. Until the next video. Bye 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 bye.